guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I have a cold. So you'll hear my croaky little throat. I do apologize and I hope you all bear with me. Today I want to show you the advent calendar. It's the PS self-care calendar bath fizzer gift set with 12 bath fizzers from Primark. This is such a cute little advent calendar. The cost is £12. It is super cute. I love the box. My favorite part is definitely the little double side. I do like a double-sided calendar. I think this one is adorable, and they're all numbered, so that's pretty awesome. I don't think £12 for bath fizzers is expensive. I know there are super expensive advent calendars out there. I don't think this one is very expensive because you're getting 12 80-gram bath fizzers. So let's start with number one. So number one says, love yourself. And I'm loving the fact that there's little tabs that you can push in. It makes it so much easier to open. By the way, this cardboard is exceptionally sturdy. So let's open the first one. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm going to try to rip number one off. And they have them fully padded inside with paper, which is amazing. Ooh, let's get this out. So this almost looks like a little dragon egg. It's got those little almost scales. Love the color. Is there a scent, or are they all the same scent? This one just tells me that it is mermaid, which I think is cute. I love the glitter. Smells super sweet and fresh. Really, really nice. So our first one is our little mermaid egg. We'll pop that right there. We're going to go, oh, I thought that was number two. Number two is over here. Again, it says love yourself. Let's pop this one open, being exceptionally careful not to destroy the rest of the advent calendar. Oh, so number two. Oh, number two is a little, looks like a little pill with this in the middle. What does it say on the back? It says this one is strawberry. Smells exactly like strawberry. I'm loving the little glitter, and I think this is a decent sized, these are decent sized bath bombs for £12. So I think that's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and open number three. Number three is right here. I am appreciating the effort that Primark has gone to. This is a super pretty advent calendar. Not only that, I'm loving that they've got everything netted so that the bath bombs don't break. That is definitely a little bonus on my part, or on Primark's part. Oh guys, this one says me time. So number three is me time. Let's see what we've got. This is a really cute one. There's a lot of glitter in these bath bombs, but Primark do make their bath bombs with biodegradable glitter, so that is a bonus for them. This one is vanilla and caramel. Very different. It has a little moon and stars on the top. Super cute. Smells very caramelly. Super sweet. Almost like you can eat it. Oh, and it has the moon and stars on the bottom. So it's super cute. We're going to move on to number four. Where's number four? Number four is down here, and this one says, you've got this. I hope I've got this. Let's pop open window number four. Oh, this is a different shaped one. This is almost like a, is it a geode? It's got the hollow in the center. It is super glittery. We've got, it's purple and green, which is nice. And let's see what it says. This one is concave. Concave. Doesn't tell us the scent, just concave. Again, it smells very sweet, but that is pretty awesome. We're going to move straight along to number five. Number five says, again, you've got this, and I hope I have. I'm loving the fact that I'm not just getting generic shaped bath bombs. You're getting actually quite a nice selection, so that's pretty awesome. This little one is a, come out. This little one is a diamond shape. This is gorgeous. It has these little crystals at the top. It says that this one is raspberry. How pretty is this little bath bomb? Raspberry. That's so, so nice. And guys, the reason that I think I'm getting a good deal with this advent calendar is that you know that Primark sell these bath bombs at £1, usually about 100 grams, but 80 grams is still pretty good. They sell these at around about £1 anyway. So, I mean, to get an advent calendar, have the fun of opening it and getting a lot of different selection, I think is pretty awesome. So guys, we have done 5. We're going to move to our halfway point and open number 6. And number 6 says, me time, me time, me time, me time. And we're going to pop out number 6. Come on, number 6. Oh, the little bits are sticking to it. That's totally fine. We'll just stick that back on again. And again, this is a really pretty one. We've got the rocks at the top. I'm assuming they're salt. We've got this gorgeous gold and the light and dark pink. Smells very sweet. This one's berry. That's really delightful. It smells absolutely gorgeous. We're going to put our number 6 right there, and we're going to move quickly along to number 7. Number 7 is at the bottom. It says glow up. And let's open this one and see what we've got. I hope we don't get the same. I hope we get 12 bath bombs that are very different. Oh, this one is very different. Get it? Like, oh, this one is super cute. This one is a little cloud. I love the yellow and pink and the gold. The gold is really striking, so I'm really loving that. And this one is cloud. No scent, just the shape. Also pretty neat. We're going to move on to number 8. Number 8 is all the way over in this corner. Don't rip the rest of the box. Be careful, careful, careful. And number 8 says, hello, gorgeous. Well, thank you very much. What have we got in here? Come on. Oh, we have a little smiley face. How cute is this? I'm loving this white and blue with the gold. It's really striking. It really hits you right away. But that is so fun. This one is blueberry. One of my favorite scents. This smells so, so, so amazing. I am going to be having bath bombs for days. Again, number 9, right over here. Hello, gorgeous. I mean, let me know in the comment section below if you think this little calendar so far is worth the money, and whether you think it looks really pretty. I mean, I'm loving the fact that I believe Primark have gone the extra mile in this little advent calendar. I think it is super adorable. I'm loving so far the selection of bath bombs that we've got. They're going to be so much fun. So guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this bath bomb, or what you think of this advent calendar. And whether you think you would purchase it or not. I think, knowing what's inside it, I would definitely purchase this again, or purchase it as part of a gift for maybe one of my friends. So this is almost like a little space saucer. It's beautiful pink, gold and yellow. And what do we have? It is yellow and pink. It's pretty obvious, yellow and pink, but a nice fun little bath bomb. We're on to number 10. Number 10 is going to make me destroy the box. But we will try very hard not to destroy the surprise. This one says glow up. And we've got another. Wow. Let's just pull these little bits off. So sorry. We've got another little, almost like domed bath bomb. This one is gold top. That's what they've called it. It's a very inventive name, but it is lots of blues, pinks, purples, and gold top. It smells floral. It does have a really floral scent, but I am loving it. Let's move on. We're on number 10. Oh, 2 more to go. That's really sad. I would have loved to open another one with all different bath bombs. But we're going to move to number 11, which says, let yourself rest. And I think that is pretty. I'm just going to have to tear this one. That's a pretty good message. We've got it's hiding in here. And it is another little domed one. So sorry. It's got these gorgeous pastel colors. I really, really like it. It is sweet orange. I never thought this would have been sweet orange. It's very zesty. Smells like orange. Really, really, really nice. Didn't think this one would have been sweet orange, but I'm really, really happy with that. And then our last little bath bomb in this whole set is Let Yourself Rest. Number 12. And it looks like it's a different shape. Oh, we have this. Oh, if all these little bits have stuck to the little stickers on the back. It's totally fine. I'm not mad at it, but it's this little cone kind of shape. Really cute. And this one is mango. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, this is mango. Very, very fruity. Oh my gosh, I am so super happy. So this is our £12 little what is it called? It's called a self-care advent calendar, and all of our amazing bath bombs. Like, look, we have, these are so stinking adorable. I'm loving this one. What did this say? The mermaid bath bomb is so, so cute. Let me just show you from above. These are all the fun little bath bombs that we got. Guys, I definitely think the £12 for this advent calendar is spot on. I love it. It's been so much fun opening it. I am going to have so much fun using these bath bombs. Maybe what we'll do is keep some, give some away, keep some and do a little Primark bath bomb testing video in the very near future. Well, guys, really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. I had a blast. I hope you did too. If you liked the video, please smash that like button. If you are not yet a subscriber and would like to come and join us, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And if you want to be notified of any of my future videos, just hit the notification bell. And guys, where you can, please share this video. It really does help bump up my subscribers. I'm a very small channel trying to grow. So all of your help is really, really much appreciated. In the interim, guys, I hope you have the most amazing day. Please stay safe. Please take care, and I'm going to catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.